Welcome back, everybody. Today's vid is just going to be talking about how I find the angle to set my jig up to sharpen a knife. I have an assortment of blades here, from a paring knife to a carver to a pocket, folder, sheath, and another one here, an old Case Buffalo. So this is a gauge I use. This tells me what the angle is by putting the knife in. I'll give you an example. I'll put this knife in here. If it hits the center here, it's no good. This is a beat up paring knife. As you can see, we're touching. That's no good. Again, that's no good. Still no good. We're still hitting it. Still hitting it. We're still hitting it. This is 15 degrees right here. And we're still hitting it at 15 degrees. I would sharpen this little paring knife at 12 and then see how sharp it gets and then adjust it accordingly. But that's how I find my angle. Here's it's a regular chef's knife. Our dog down here, I bought this for my wife. Let's see what this one is. Again, we put the angle in. See, it hits at 17 and a half, no good. Try 15, just hits 15. So I would sharpen this one at 15 degrees. There's a typical chef's knife, 7-inch one. There's a smaller one there. We'll get to that one. Again, we're going to do it again. 17, we're hitting. 15 again. So this again would be sharpened at 15 degrees. This is just a big carving knife. This is a KAI. It's made in Japan. Let's try what this one is. 17 goes right in. Again, this is less than 15. I would sharpen this one at 12 to 13 degrees, and again, check it to see what happens. Here's the 7-inch Santora my kids got me. Again, 17, it hits 15 degrees. I would sharpen this one at 15 degrees. This is another one the kids got me. I have no idea what this is. They found this probably at a thrift store or something. We'll put this thing in. We'll start this one at 25 degrees. It comes in a little bit. There it is. 20 degrees. This one I would do at 20 degrees. Well, that's how I do the knives, and then once I get that found out, then I set up my jig accordingly, which you'll see in the other videos. Pocket knives rather, I've been told they've been anywhere from 20 to 30. I find them to be anywhere in sight. This is a ZT. One of my personal fold holders, and let's see, 17 and a half. It doesn't come in, so I would sharpen this thing at 17 and a half. This is an old Browning skinny knife, one of mine. Again, 17 and a half. Yep, that's the one right there. It just gets inside the circle. And lastly, we'll try this Case Buffalo knife. Try 17. No, right in there. 15. Just gets inside of 15. So I would do this one at like 13 degrees. Again, I would check it and see how my sharpening's going. But that's how I find the angle for any given knife. Everything's a little different. Then when I set the jig up, I have the exact angle that I need to set everything up at, which you'll see in future videos, or the videos that are posted already. Thanks again, and please subscribe.